Nestled discreetly within an oak grove, this captivating modern interpretation of a rural English cottage sits on the outskirts of a meadow in the sprawling Santa Lucia Preserve near Carmel by the sea. Its placement is an ode to the untamed splendor of the landscape, allowing residents to indulge in a fully immersed experience amidst nature's grandeur. Crafted around a traditional courtyard layout, the house seamlessly weaves through trees while its stone-terraced gardens traverse the biodiverse terrain, a perfect embodiment of the client's desire for an English cottage ambience. A natural medley of wood, stone, and copper imbues the 6,500 square foot structure with an ageless allure, seamlessly blending it into its surroundings and transforming it into a hidden sanctuary ideal for observing wildlife. Defined by 3 main volumes, the residence spans 2 levels, featuring a central gallery of shared living spaces flanked by 2 wings housing private areas. Designed for a couple who work from home, the his and her offices at each end of the courtyard offer serene, garden-facing views from light-filled spaces accessed through inviting hallways. The neutral interior palette, abundant glass walls, and a network of outdoor rooms beckon the eye outward, seamlessly integrating the home with the native California landscape. The couple's primary suite, perched on the 2nd floor amid branches with captivating bird's-eye views, evokes the sensation of residing in a luxurious treehouse. Expansive bay windows in the breakfast room serve as perfect vantage points for observing wildlife during the couple's casual lunchtime gatherings and evening conversations. A detached guest house, a charming scaled-down replica of the main dwelling, grants visiting friends and family a secluded retreat with stunning western-facing views. Positioned at the highest point of the property, a stone fire pit invites the couple to unwind in the evening, offering a serene setting where they can fully embrace nature without any visual obstruction from the house.